Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to toggle touchpad on ASUS VIVOBOOK PRO. So, first to disable it, just go into search, type in touchpad, open the touchpad settings, and click here to disable it. As you can see, the touchpad is not working anymore. So to enable it now, let's say you don't have a mouse, then you would need to click the Windows button that is located on the bottom left side of the keyboard. Type in the touchpad settings. Now click enter. And now we're in the touchpad settings. To enable it again, because we can't do anything, click enter. Now the touchpad settings, advanced settings is opened. Click tab to go into reset and enter. Now the touchpad is working again. That's it, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.